In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the DDE server window onedrive.exe application error in Windows 10 and 11. If you're seeing this error pop up and it's becoming a nuisance, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward process to resolve it in just 5 minutes. To begin, you'll want to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. This key combination is a quick shortcut to open the Task Manager, which is the tool we'll be using throughout this process. Once you've pressed these keys, you should see the Task Manager window pop up on your screen. In case it doesn't appear immediately, make sure no other distractions or pop-ups are covering it. Now that you have the Task Manager open, look towards the top where you'll find several tabs. You're going to want to click on the tab labeled Details. It's important to navigate here because this tab gives you a more granular look at what's running on your system, including the various background processes which might not be visible in simpler views. Inside the Details tab, you'll be presented with a potentially overwhelming list of processes. Don't worry, we're just focusing on finding one particular item. Scroll down the list until you locate onedrive.exe. This is the process that seems to be causing us trouble. Once you've found it, right-click on onedrive.exe. A context menu will appear, and from here you'll want to select End Task. What this action does is terminate the current session of OneDrive. While that sounds drastic, it's a completely safe move and an effective way of halting a process that might be misbehaving. Having done that, our next stop is the Startup Apps. You can find this section by going back to the main Task Manager tabs and locating the Startup tab. Click on it, and you will be shown a list of applications that automatically start when your computer boots up. Take a moment to locate OneDrive within the Startup Apps list. Once you've found it, click on OneDrive to highlight it. Then you'll want to disable it, which you can do by clicking the Disable button at the bottom right of the Task Manager window. What this step accomplishes is it stops OneDrive from running automatically in background every time your computer starts. Don't worry, you can always open OneDrive manually when you need it, but by disabling it here, you prevent any automatic processes from causing errors in the future. And there you have it. Following these steps diligently should help you manage and hopefully resolve the DDE server window onedrive.exe application error you've been experiencing. Remember, keeping regular tabs on your startup applications can help maintain the health and performance of your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.